In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the primary email on your YouTube account. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. Your YouTube primary email is managed through your Google account, so everything we do will happen inside your browser. Start by opening your browser and going to YouTube's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the account whose email you want to change. If you have multiple Google accounts, double check that the profile picture in the top right corner matches the channel you're working on. Once you're on YouTube, move your cursor up to that profile picture in the top right and click it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and channel. In that menu, look for the option that says Google Account and click it. This will open your Google account settings in a new tab. You should now be on the main Google account page. From here, look for the section related to personal information and contact details. Within that area, you'll see an option labeled Email. Go ahead and click on Email to open the page where your different email addresses are listed. On the email page, find the section called Contact Email or something very similar. Under that heading, you'll see the email address that's currently being used. Click directly on that email address to open more detailed settings for your contact email. Next, you'll see an option that says Add Other Email. This is what lets you introduce a new email that you want to use going forward. Click on Add Other Email. A small box or field will appear where you can type in the new email address you want to use. Carefully type in the new email address. Make sure there are no typos, because a verification message will be sent there. Once you've entered it correctly, click on the Add button to save it. After it's added, you should now see this new email listed along with your existing one. At this point, Google usually sends a verification email to the new address. Check that inbox and follow the verification link if prompted. Back on the Google account page, once the email is verified, look for the option that says Send Verification beneath the newly added email if it hasn't been verified yet, and click it. After verification is complete, you can now select this new email as your primary contact email, replacing the previous one. This ensures all important YouTube and Google notifications will go to your new address.